Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Grab your hot chocolate or your coffee and let's get started decorating for Christmas 2023. I am so excited. I knew I wanted to start out in the master bedroom this year because I have a really solid vision for what I want in this room. I loved what we did in here last year, but I have lots of fun ideas to add to it this year, and I was just most excited to get this room done first. The kitchen will probably be in Friday's video and then the living room in next Sunday's video, but I'll let you know as we go. I had to go ahead and get all of the pumpkin and fall stuff out of here first. We're going to do some vacuuming and cleaning here and there, but this is mostly just a go hard decorating video, and I am so excited to get our master bedroom decked out for Christmas. If you're new here, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. My name is Lauren and I make lots of videos about cleaning and decorating, all things homemaking and mom life. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. But let's jump right in. So each year that I decorate for Christmas, I love incorporating flocked trees and flocked garland. There's something so cozy about it. Maybe one day I will break out of that habit and get a regular Christmas tree, but for now I'm loving all things flocked. I love using flocked trees and flocked garland with white fluffy ornaments. I feel like it's just so cozy, so relaxing, and then add in your pops of red here and there and it just screams Christmas to me. That's what Christmas decor is to me. What is Christmas decor to you? Leave it down below. I love to hear what colors y'all decorate with and what styles y'all decorate with, but I know everybody has their own thing. This is mine. I love white ornaments on white fluffy garland. So that's what we did this year. I just added in a little bit of dainty red ribbon with our garland, and I love the way that that turned out. And this right here is what I'm most excited to tell y'all about. I feel like these are the dreamiest Christmas sheets I've ever seen in my life, and I actually found them on Amazon, so I wasn't sure if they were going to be like good quality, if they were going to be soft. They came in the mail and I was shocked. They are so soft, so cozy. Now they're not flannel. I've kind of grown out of I don't really care for flannel sheets anymore. I get way too hot in the night, even in the winter. So I love that these are a really nice soft sheet, but they're not flannel and they are beautiful. They're like childhood dreams. You've got your reindeer, your Christmas trees, your snowflakes, and I absolutely love these. So I will link these below in case you're still on the hunt for your Christmas sheets. But let's go ahead and get this bed made up.
Happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland.
So if you've been around for a while, you know that each year I decorate with lots of red at Christmas time throughout my whole house, and I think I always will. I absolutely love red at Christmas, but this year I was really focused on toning it down a little bit, adding in lots more creams and whites and metallics, and I have come to absolutely love the combination of white and cream together. They're so cozy, and as you can see, my bedroom is all white and cream, and it's kind of funny because I used to be terrified to mix those two colors. I thought they were clashing or whatever, and so I just never did, but here lately I absolutely love them together. I picked up this "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" sign at Kirkland's last year, and it is the perfect size for in between these windows in our bedroom, and I love it there, so I think I'm going to put it there every single year until further notice. We're just going to add some really glam reindeer here with a really pretty white Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby, and then I'm going to light a candle here in the middle. I can't remember what that candle is, but we have candles going on throughout. Oh, I think that one was peppermint bark. It smells really good, but we have all kinds of candles going on throughout today's video, all of the Christmas scents, but I love the way that that space turned out. Anyways, back to my cream and white. I think cream and white are so cozy, so throughout the rest of my Christmas decorating videos, in the kitchen, the living room, throughout the whole rest of our house, you're going to see lots of that combination. These fluffy pillows were gorgeous on this bed, and then I went to add the red ones to try those out, and I didn't care so much for the red. So we're going to tone those back down here in just a minute with the fluffier pillows, and I think that calmed this space down a whole lot. Over here on both of these windows, I'm going to add a flocked wreath with a red bow, and I think that's so pretty for this side of the room. I picked those wreaths up at Home last year, and they have little jingle bells, and they're super sparkly with a little bit of pine cones in there. I'll show you a close-up later on. But I love the way that makes this side of the room look. Kind of ties all of the red in the room in together.
It is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in the one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Back over here to the nightstand, I'm just going to add a simple white Christmas tree there with my 'Tis the Season candle. I believe that's from Target, and it smells so good. It was so funny. Oliver kept coming in here and picking it up and sniffing it like crazy. It wasn't lit at that time, and he just was cracking me up. But it does smell so good, so if they have that candle again this year, definitely get it. We're headed over here to this little faux fireplace area, and I love this space at Christmas time because we can turn on Christmas movies, and it just makes the whole room. We're going to turn on a little ambiance on the TV here in just a second. But first things first, we're going to get this all wiped down. We're going to Windex the mirrors, the window, and the TV.
I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bag, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
I was sipping on my coffee with my brown butter creamer. If y'all have not tried the Coffee Mate brown butter creamer, go grab yourself some. It is the best creamer ever. But I just turned on a little cozy Christmas ambiance. It had some Christmas music, and this one actually is ad-free, so I will link it below for y'all. It is really relaxing to watch and listen to as you're decorating for Christmas. But now onto the fireplace. So for the top of this little space, I wanted to add some flocked garland, and I actually picked this up in the floral department at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just going to add in some twinkly lights. We're going to add some glam Christmas trees over here, a little glam reindeer, and another candle.
We're back here once again, holidays and cheer, but now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way, yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow.
So for the past 2 or 3 years, I've been collecting this glam Christmas decor, and I am not getting sick of it. I absolutely love it. And some of those trees light up. I need to replace some batteries, but for now, we're just going to leave them looking really glam and sparkly over here, and we're going to leave the twinkle lights to do all of the lighting over here and the candle. But I love the way that space turned out. Oliver was actually outside in the backyard riding his little four-wheeler, so that was such a cute little scene. I tried to grab him on camera, but I couldn't get it. Now headed over here to his crib. If you've been following me for a while, you know that his room is under construction, I guess you could say. We're in the process of trying to make his room a toddler room, and so he's in here with us. He's doing great in this little toddler bed, but I wanted to put him on some Christmas sheets too. We picked these up at Pottery Barn last year, and I love these. They're so cute. They've got Santa and his reindeer all over them, and we're going to add in some little throw pillows over here too. There's one that says North Pole, there's a peppermint one, and a little reindeer one, and he absolutely loved this.
Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show.
Okay, now that we've got our tree up, I'm going to be adding lots of cozy white ornaments, and I'm going to add a little bit of that really toned down red ribbon, as well as a few pieces of my red velvet ribbon. But I love this tree so much. It's nice and slim, and it's got really pretty lights on it, so I will have it linked below in case you're looking for a slimmer flocked tree. It's actually from Amazon, so it gets to you really fast, so that's nice. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this tree all decorated. I would have added a little bit more like white ribbon and more maybe cream, more textured ribbon, but I didn't have it. So we may go back in later in one of my other decorating videos and make this tree a little better, but I honestly love the way that it turned out.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart.
Ooh, baby!
I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
For the top portion of this tree, I always just add in these little picks from Hobby Lobby. I have some red sparkly ones and then some white snowy ones. And I love that little combination. This tree is so cozy, and we have a mirror over by our fireplace in our room, so it reflects the tree, which is amazing. So when you're watching TV, you can see the Christmas tree lights. But I actually put it there because when you're coming in from our front door and you come through the kitchen, you can see the tree in our bedroom from the kitchen. So you get the best of both worlds. It's over by the fireplace, and also you can see it from the kitchen. I absolutely love the way everything turned out. Oliver was enjoying a nice little Christmas movie here in bed, and we love our bedroom this year.
Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
I'm still a huge fan of this new vacuum. It's the Shark Rocket Pro, I believe, and it's major on sale right now, so I'll link it below for you. If you have a flocked tree, you need this vacuum this year. It's super powerful. It's not a cordless, but it works so well, and it's still a nice, like, handy little stick vacuum. But let's go ahead and finish vacuuming up this room, and we will show you the after effects. I'm going to turn down the lights and show you all of the cozy lighting.
Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got tons of cozy Christmas decorating inspiration. Let me know how y'all are decorating down below. When are you decorating? And I will see y'all in a brand new Christmas decorating video this Friday. Bye!